In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in WordPress using Elementor. If you're keen on giving your website a fresh look or simply swapping out the logo, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in making this change yourself. First things first, let's head over to your WordPress dashboard. You can get there by typing your website URL followed by wp-admin in your web browser. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with a variety of options. Find and click on Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. Go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor for the page where you want to change the logo. This will launch the Elementor editor where we can make a lot of exciting changes. Once Elementor is open, focus your attention on the header where the logo usually resides. That's where we'll be making our adjustments. Hover over the header section, and you should see a little pencil icon appear in the top right corner of the logo. Click on this pencil icon. This will open up the logo settings panel on the left side of the editor. Now, in the logo settings, you should find an image block with your current logo. This is the magic portal to swapping out your existing logo. Click on that image, and it will open up the WordPress media library. If your new logo is already in your library, you can select it from there. However, if you need to upload a new one, click on the Upload Files tab, then choose Select Files. This will open a dialog box where you can locate the new logo file on your computer. Simply select it and click Open to upload it to WordPress. After uploading, choose your new logo from the media library and click the Insert Media button on the bottom right. Watch as your new logo appears in the Elementor preview. If it doesn't fit quite right, you have the option to adjust the logo's size. Look for the Style tab under the Logo Settings panel. From here, you can modify the width to ensure it looks perfect on the page. Satisfied with your changes? Make sure to click the green Update button at the bottom of Elementor's panel. This crucial step saves all your adjustments, so they reflect live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your logo on WordPress using Elementor. Remember, swapping logos can be a great first step to rebranding, so feel confident knowing you've got the skills to do it yourself. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.